crypto flow bots. In fact, the market just turned bullish on the market, and crypto flow bots just turned with the market. Now, guys, you need to be very smart and take advantage of crypto flow bots, the opportunities it provides. Now, crypto flow bot gives us several strategies to trade and keep making some dollars every now and then. In fact, it has got several strategies, each of them for a particular market trend or at a time. Now, the market just turned bullish. And, we have one of our hottest strategy, which is called the short flow, okay? The short flow strategy, which is on fire and it's only shorting the market. Now, market just turned otherwise. And it is time for you to turn and follow the market and let the bot continue milking for you. So you need to switch a profile, okay, risk profile or strategy. So how do you do that? It's really simple, guys. Right now, if you come over here, you see if you come to the market, if you come to market here, if you come to markets and futures, you will see what Bitcoin just did, guys. Overnight, a parabolic movement, bullish movement, from I think from around 63K all the way to even to 79K. What happens? It just became bullish within a while. So you need to also follow that trend. Now, if you're on short flow, this is what you need to do right away. Guys, you need to start continue printing 24/7, no matter the direction of the market. Now, if we're in short flow, you need to make sure you actually switch to either steady flow or full auto mode. So right now, as you can see, my trade is in the short flow mode, and I want to change that. How do you do that? You want to click here, strategy. Click on strategy and you see I am on short. I'm on the short flow, short only strategy. You see that with the $200 partition. If you come down, you see my bot is on. So you need to turn it off. Click here and turn off the short flow if you're in short flow, okay? Why are we doing that? Because the market is currently bullish and you want to make sure the bot also starts making you money from market going up or even going down. So you can either turn on the go auto futures, because that one, it trades both long and short. Or you come to strategy, okay? Based on your capital, if you have at least $200, guys. If you have at least $200, you want to make sure you come to strategy, okay? You come to strategy. That's if you're trading on shorts. I'm sure we recommended to you that if you're trading with shorts, you should have at least $1,000. Okay, but now we said switch profile to either steady mode or go auto futures. So if you wanted to do go auto futures, like I said, go to your strategy, go to shorts and turn off the bot. Then you come here and click on go auto futures. Then we have balanced, conservative, or aggressive. It's likely if you click there, it will bring you here based on your capital or balanced. Then you click on confirm and turn on. I prefer aggressive, okay? I prefer aggressive, so I'm going to turn on aggressive, and I click on confirm and turn on. Boom! You have changed the strategy. You see that? Go full auto futures running. So if you don't also want that, you want to use the steady mode, it's also great. You turn it off, this one off, because you want to customize the bot. So you come to strategy. You come to strategy. Then, as I said, you switch to it's on short flow. You click on switch profile. If you're in short flow, then you click on short flow. Sorry, you click on steady flow. Okay, you want to switch. Click on steady flow. Then click on switch anyway. Boom. There you are. You see now you are on steady flow. So based on your capital, for example, I have $500 currently. I will just come and select the $100 strategy here. The way you select it is just click on it once, okay? Click inside the empty space of it once. It is selected. Then you come down, okay? If this was long, this was short. In most cases, the long is always off, okay? You want to turn it on, turn short on, that one is already on, turn on smart DCA, that one is already on, and turn on the bot. So I want to come to long and then tap on it once. It's turned on, and also when they say bot paused, I'll just tap on the button. It is done. Then I'll go back. If I refresh, you can see it here. You can see it here. Custom mode running. So it's that simple. Whether you choose the go auto futures or the steady flow, both they work perfectly by using both long and short, whether market going up or down. So Do this right now if you are in short flow. So when the market is becoming bearish, we can switch back again to short flow. Now, don't get me wrong. Others, though the market is bullish, they are still on short flow and they are still printing. Let me show you this. Let me show you. Now, this is our Telegram group. This is one of our members. He's using short flow. The market is bullish, but look at it here. Look at it here. He made it moving with short flow fire. You can see it here, moving with short flow fire. Look at it here. The market, though, is bullish, but look at it, short flow. It's still printing. Okay? It's still printing. But generally, you see, because the market is bullish, your short flow, maybe the boat may be picking trades slowly. That's why we recommend you switch on to the bullish mode, either steady flow or the go full auto futures. Okay. Now you may ask, what about my trades that are already in short and they are running? Yes, leave them there. For example, this one is short. It's short flow. It's in short direction. It is leave them running. Okay. When they get into profit and the board closes them, the capital will be available and automatically it will be available to be traded with the current strategy you have just turned on. It's that simple. So you don't need to do anything. That is it I wanted to share with you guys. Let's be smart. Crypto Flow Board gives us unlimited opportunities to keep what? Increasing our assets no matter which direction the board is going. And also, it also has signals which you can take advantage of and start what? Also what? Creating adding signals and making more. Just that you can see, I am trading signals. This is auto. And if you come here to close trade, you can see that this has been closed into manual profit, manual $2.89. Look at the manual. So it's still another opportunity. There's no reason why you shouldn't be earning with Crypto Flow Bot. Thank you so much. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, smash on the bell icon, and also check in the comment section and join all our WhatsApp group and Telegram group for updates. Remember, past performance does not guarantee future performance. This is not meant for investment advice. This is just to provide you education and information. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Cryptocurrency trading is risky, and if you have to be patient because the prices go up and down very fast. And if you don't have patience, you cannot make money in crypto. Crypto trading here is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term business that requires patience and good capital. Don't forget about this. Thank you.